So ZARIMI makes a really, really good air duster, and this is it right here. It looks phenomenal, it feels great in your hand, has a spot for a wrist strap, and comes with a bunch of accessories, which we'll get to in a second. As far as the blower itself, the duster itself, you're gonna hit this front button to turn it on, and then there's different power modes. That's low, medium, high, and super high. Oh yeah. So if you didn't want to go between those, you can hold down the power button and that puts it in stepless motor. So you can use this dial in the back to just go as fast as you want that way, all the way up or in between, which is kind of nice. It has like a little LED light on the side to show you which like power level it's at. You see how powerful it is because it's actually pushing my hand back too. It charges with USB-C. And it does come with the cable to charge. Now you have a small nozzle like this one to get like into your keyboards and things if you want to blow out dust that way. They twist on and snap into place, but now you have that wider one there. And then you have like a bigger nozzle and an even bigger one to really just blow everything all at once. It does come with a little brush, so if you are cleaning your keyboard and maybe there's still a little bit of particles in there or dust in there, you can use that to help get it out. It comes with a wrist strap and comes with a bag for your duster. There's also an LED light that shows on the front so you can see what you're blowing, like it kind of lights up the area so you can see if there's any dust in there. And it has a little battery status LEDs at the bottom to let you know how much battery is left. All in all, really sleek, really nice for any desktop, any office space, any kitchen, if you want to get stuff off the table really quickly. This is a good way to do that. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.